Woodcraft, turning wood into masterpieces. Precision, passion, and perfection in every creation.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with another new video. In this video, you will see that the craftsman is installing a wooden frame in the kitchen very skillfully using a saw and a hammer. First, he will nail the frame. Then he will screw it with a drill machine. Then the doors will be installed, UV sheet, and trim will be installed. Then the handles will be installed, and then the complete look of the kitchen will come. We work very skillfully so that our customer likes our work. Our rate is also very low so that everyone can work with us. Well, we do not compromise on quality. We always try to give good work to people. If you want to do this kind of work, then you can contact us. We work very beautifully and skillfully, which our customers also like. We also make doors and also do cabinet work and furniture work in them. If you want to do any work, you can get our services. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that the new video will reach you first. Thank you.